The benefit of a cheetah. Narrator. The cheetah is the fastest land animal on Earth. Student 1. But why is that a benefit? Narrator. Speed helps the cheetah catch its food quickly. Student 2. So it can survive better. Narrator. Its incredible speed and sharp eyesight make hunting easier and keep the ecosystem balanced. All students are. The cheetah's speed is its greatest benefit. Title: The Benefit Peregrine Falcon. Narrator. The peregrine falcon, fast, focused, and one of nature's most remarkable hunters. Scene opens with a falcon soaring over a city skyline. Narrator. Benefit number 1, speed. The peregrine falcon is the fastest animal on Earth, diving at over 200 miles per hour. This incredible speed helps control populations of pigeons and other birds in both wild and urban environments. Cut to falcon perched high on a building. Narrator. Benefit number 2, ecosystem balance. As a top predator, peregrines play a critical role in keeping prey species healthy and preventing overpopulation. Cut to nest on a cliff. Narrator. Benefit number 3, environmental indicators. Peregrine falcons are sensitive to pollutants, making them valuable indicators of ecosystem health. When peregrines thrive, it's a sign the environment is improving.